I've known this lady for probably 7 years now, and she's a very good friend of both Lisa and myself. I met her in London. She's half American, she's half British. She is one of the most fun, excitable human beings I've ever met. I am now going to introduce the very lovely Tara, but I just want to ask her one question. Why are you over everything, every single thing that I know you have put your heart and soul into, in every job, in every position? Why are you so excited about CashFX?
That's a great question, Katie. And thank you so much for asking me to be here. And the journey that we've been on together is so incredible. And I don't think we have enough time today to tell you the whole story, but you guys, let me tell you right now, if you're here for the Bitcoin giveaway, every single one of you can get Bitcoin when you join CashFX, okay? And we get paid every Saturday. And I've also been getting paid on, the 1st and the 16th. I don't know why. I don't understand this. I'm not an expert like Katie. I'm not a trader. I run, my own consulting businesses. I do a lot of things. I have a background in the entertainment industry. I've been all over the place, but I have been searching for a lifetime for something that gives me financial and time freedom. And now more than ever, people are being laid off. People are realizing the instability of a job, and the whole system is just totally screwed, you guys. And this is a way to take your power back and to really say, here's how I want my life to look. Here's who I want to spend my time with. Because I really believe that you are the sum of the people that you spend your time with. And I am absolutely honored to be here with Luigi, Katie, Lisa, inspiring me, Mama B on the call. What's up? I love all of you. I'm so happy to be doing this with you. I don't understand it. I don't. I took action. In August, when Lisa called me, she was Bitcoin this, I said, okay, yeah, no problem. Where do I sign up? And here's the thing. Stop asking so many questions. Take the action. Knowledge is nothing, okay, unless you apply it. I can read a book all about Bitcoins and trading. That's great. But if I don't take an action, nothing happens. And I know this much, I've been asking myself this a lot, because a lot in the last year, especially, a lot of things have happened. I've had to leave London and come back to America and be here for my family. And I really needed something that I could rely on, that would generate money no matter what, and that would give me the freedom to be able to be available to my family. And this does that, absolutely, without question. Now, let me tell you what I really regret. I regret being a lazy bear, as Lisa calls it. Now, what's a lazy bear? Well, I signed up for the 300 pack back in August, okay? I'm on the 2000 pack. I have one person on my team, and there's 37 people under me in the matrix, all of whom, except for Mama B, I don't know you, but I'm getting paid. I'm getting paid because you're under me in the matrix. And the only reason I'm really emphasizing this is because you don't have to understand it. You just have to do it, okay? And no matter what else you have going on in your life, I can count every Saturday on getting an email saying, hey, Tara, we want to give you money. My bank doesn't do that. My business doesn't do that. I thought I was creating, when I built my business as a consultant, I'd work in digital marketing and do commercials. And it's a lot of work, you guys. It's hard freaking work. And I thought I was creating a business, but really I'm just creating another job for myself. And I'm still answering to clients. I'm still dealing with drama. I'm still a slave, you guys. Now, I don't know what your values are, but mine are freedom. Absolute freedom in every sense of the word. I want to decide every moment of every day. That's why they call me Tara Time. Yeah, it's party time when you hang out with me. Absolutely. But be present, you guys. That is my absolute mission. So freedom is huge. Integrity, absolutely huge. Now, Katie and Lisa and I and a lot of other people on this call have tried other multi-level marketing, other organizations that involved selling products, auto shipping things that people didn't really need. Okay. I don't want to buy something every month just because I have to, so I can get my commissions. That's not the model that I really am going to make it huge with. I want to do this. And I'll tell you what, I have sat on the sidelines. And the reason that I am preaching that you take the action is because I don't want you to be like me, you guys. I have sat on the sidelines. I have one person on my team. I've told a ton of people about it, and they shut me down because I didn't understand and I didn't know how to answer their questions. Well, let me tell you what they have now more than ever, which I have seen since August. They have training, they have calls. You don't have to know what to say. Just say, hey, I started this business, and you know what? Now's the time more than ever to do something that frees us from this horrible system that's broken and not working. And, you know, do me a favor and watch this video, you know, call me at the end. John Kinnear, who's amazing as well, who we got an opportunity to meet, I guess about a year ago now. You know, he's the marketing director of this company. Incredible. These people are making so much money hand over fist. Now I'm on the 2,000 pack, and I've taken my money and just reinvested it, and I've gotten 2,000, you guys. And I've told people, and I've been like, oh, I don't know, lazy bear. And I'm still making money every week. Okay. I don't understand it. I just know that it's working. And I know that I don't have to sell any makeup or creams or any drama or call people on the last day of the month and say, hey, did you put your order in? No, I don't have to do that. And I'm terrible at it. In fact, I am not the best multi-level marketer. I get really discouraged. I'll call like 4 people and they'll say, no. And I'll be like, oh, I guess I'll do something else now. But you know what? I don't give up. And I stay in this, and I show up, and I tell you all from my experience, please don't be a lazy bear. Please buy your 300 pack or 500 pack or 1,000 pack, whatever you can invest today. I wish I had been able to start at a higher pack. And then take those profits that you're making every month and reinvest and grow your business. Nobody can take it away from you. It's completely foolproof. It's absolutely incredible. And you can end up like Luigi with a Porsche in your driveway one day. Oh my God. That's my goal. I can't wait to see all of you in Punta Cana, but this business works if you work it. And now let me
ask you a question. Let me ask you one more question, because
sorry, I'm just fired up.
No. I love it. You're amazing. The messages that are coming through on the chat are unbelievable. You know, I told everyone at the very beginning, this will be a great testimony because I know you. Lisa knows you. We love you. And Mama B is on watching you. But listen, let me just ask you this question. Is this the vehicle that is going to make you that millionaire?
Absolutely. My goal is to be a millionaire. It was my birthday yesterday. I have one more year to be a millionaire by 40. And let me tell you, I'm absolutely on the way. And you know what? I didn't understand it. And if anybody says like that they can't do it, it's because they're not doing it. If it's not working for you, you're not working for it, you know? And I am so fired up by this. And I just am so grateful to be here. And I love all of you for inspiring me and, you know, being a part of the Power Team. You don't do this stuff alone, you guys. No one is self-made. You know, you want to join some winners, they're right here in this group in CashFX. So thank you for having me. Thank you for asking me. I love all of you. I love these messages coming through. Just do it. Just don't think about it. Do it. The end.
You're a bull. You're a bull. Absolutely. You're an absolute bull, and you're an absolute dream. Honestly, thank you so much. I'm glad we've not got anyone following you. I really have to say, so down now. But listen, you're a superstar. Love the background. Love you, and I can't wait to see you soon. Honestly,
I love you, Katie. Thank you so much. You know what's funny about this Bitcoin is I didn't used to understand Bitcoin. I was also the Bitcoin, you know, downer. But that's what they said about the same thing in the 70s about credit cards. They said credit cards would never work. And look what's happened to Bitcoin in the last. I mean, the numbers don't lie. You know, if you're not involved in Bitcoin, you will be left behind along with history. You know, like do it.